Halima ma'am, are you hearing me? Shall we start?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, hello.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Okay, we have joined.
Shall we start? Are you ready
Okay,
for your presentation, ma'am?
okay.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, hello, ma'am.
Hello. How are you, ma? How are you?
Very good,
How is
very good
India?
to see you. India is a little hot and little rains also. It's
Okay.
temperature is little hot, but it's raining too.
Oh, that's great. Here, the rain is erratic.
Yeah.
It will rain today. After
It was
2 weeks, it
early
will rain
morning
again.
rain. Yeah. Okay, so we will start, Halima.
Okay.
Over to you, Gauri.
Okay.
Yes. Welcome, Halima ma'am. Shall we start now? Good afternoon,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Gauri
Good
Bidkar,
afternoon.
welcome all members to Global Women Networks for Nature's monthly meeting, and warm welcome to our today's guest, Professor Halima Mohammed Abba ma'am, CEO, Trans-Saharan Resilient Foundation, Professor of Plant Ecology and Physiology, Department of Plant Sciences, GOMBE State University, Nigeria, and our founder director, Dr. Vinita Apte ma'am. The Global Women Network for Nature, an initiative of the Te Policy Center, Pune, is founded on the belief that women have the power to drive positive environmental change. GWNN brings together women from diverse backgrounds who share a common commitment to protecting and preserving our natural world. The initiative is guided by our director, Dr. Vinita Apte, a renowned environmentalist and founder of Their Policy Center, who has been actively working in the field of sustainability, environmental education, and climate action. Through collaboration, knowledge sharing, and empowerment, GWNN fosters a strong global community where women can connect, learn, lead sustainability initiatives. The network offers various programs, events, and workshops that support personal and professional growth. I request our founder and director of their policy center, Dr. Vinita ma'am, to welcome our esteemed guests and GWNN members. Over to
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Gauri. Yeah, thanks, Gauri. Welcome to GWNN monthly meeting. Those who have joined today are our pride that all women are doing a very fantastic work for the nature. Everyone knows that women have a green thumb who gives a lot of energy, lot of time being livelihood to the every person who lives on earth. And through that with this group of Global Women Network for Nature, we are reaching out to those the women who work fantastic for the environment and betterment of environment. And I'm sure there is nothing than women who can create a better environment, better world, and better behavior for everyone who lives on this earth. So today I am very much keen to hear Professor Halima, who is working for ecology and environment, and in the country, I mean the Nigeria. If anyone know about the geographical challenges of Nigeria are not very less than any other country. So, Professor Halima is really sowing the seeds to the students who are want to learn about ecology, about environment, and by her vision and by her experience, the students will grow fast, and also they start to work work for ecology and the balance of environment. Over to you, Halima ma'am. I'm also very eager to listen to you.
Ah,
Thank
okay,
you.
thank you
Thank you,
very much,
Vinita ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Vinita ma'am, for your inspiring words. Moving ahead, I would like to introduce our guest for today. It is my great pleasure to introduce our distinguished speaker, Professor Halima Mohammed Abba. Professor Halima Abba is a professor of plant ecology and physiology at GOMBE State University, Nigeria. She is a renowned expert in biodiversity conservation, forest ecology, ecosystem restoration, and climate change adaptation with extensive experience in advancing environmental research and sustainable development. She is the pioneering former head of the Department of Botany and currently serves as the Chief Executive Officer of the Trans-Saharan Resilient Foundation, where she leads impactful initiatives focused on environmental sustainability, climate resilience, and community development across the Sahel region. Professor Abba has an impressive record of research publications, has supervised numerous academic and research projects, and is deeply committed to mentoring the next generation of environmental scientists. Her work emphasizes nature-based solutions, sustainable resource management, women's empowerment, and biodiversity conservation, making significant contributions to environmental stewardship in Nigeria and beyond. Today, she will share her insights on topic Seeds of Hope, Growing a Greener Future, One Woman at a Time. With this, I would like to hand over this floor to Professor Halima ma'am. You can start with your presentation, ma'am. Over to you,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, thank you very much, madam. Distinguished founder and leaders of the Global Women Network for Nature, honored guests, fellow women environmental advocates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. The theme of my presentation is Seeds of Hope, Growing a Greener Future, One Woman at a Time. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before this remarkable gathering of women united by a common purpose to restore, protect, and celebrate our natural world. I sincerely thank the organizer for inviting me to share my thoughts on a subject that is deeply connected to both my profession and my passion. This title is more than a metaphor. Every great forest begins with a seed. Every movement begins with an individual who chooses to act. Every lasting environmental transformation begins when ordinary people decide that protecting nature is no longer someone else's responsibility. Hope, like a seed, may appear small and insignificant. Yet, when nurtured with commitment, knowledge, and collective action, it grows into something capable of transforming landscapes and lives. As Wangari Maathai, founder of the Green Belt Movement and Nobel Peace Prize laureate, wisely observed, it's the little things citizens do that is what will make the difference. My little thing is planting trees, according to Maathai 2004. Her words remind us that environmental restoration is not driven solely by governments or international organizations. It is also shaped by millions of small acts of courage carried out by individuals, particularly women, who understand that caring for the earth is an investment in future generations. Today, I invite each of us to reflect on one important question. What seed of hope am I planting today that future generations will harvest tomorrow? Here on my slide, I have a picture of a woman planting trees. Every forest begins with a seed. Every movement begins with one courageous person. Every restored landscape begins with one action. Hope grows when we act together. It is the little things citizens do that's what will make the difference. What seed of hope are you planting today? Why our planet needs hope? We are all aware that climate change is intensifying these environmental challenges. Rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, unpredictable rainfall patterns, floods, and increasing desertification
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry,
threaten
excuse
food
me.
security.
Halima, ma'am, sorry, excuse me. Your slides are
Yes.
not, your presentation is not seen us.
Okay. Okay, we share it.
You
Yes.
share?
Yes, I will share it.
Just one.
Okay. Slide. See that? I'm sorry, I'm sending it. Can I proceed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Teacher presentation नसेल तिच्याकडे. You may not there. Yeah.
Okay, look
Ma'am,
at
you continue, please.
check your WhatsApp. I'm sending it there.
Continue.
Okay. Check your WhatsApp.
You sent on WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay.
So why our planet needs hope? We are all aware that climate change is intensifying these environmental challenges. Rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, unpredictable rainfall patterns, floods, and increasing desertification. They threaten food security, water availability, biodiversity, and human health, especially in developing countries. Across Africa, the consequences are becoming increasingly visible. Expanding deserts, shrinking forests, declining wildlife populations, soil erosion, and loss of ecosystem services directly affect millions of rural households whose livelihoods depend on natural resources. Nigeria is no exception. Rapid population growth, fuel wood extraction, illegal logging, charcoal production, agricultural expansion, uncontrolled grazing, and urban development continue to place enormous pressure on the country's forests and woodlands. These pressures are particularly evident in the Sudan and Sahel savanna ecosystems of northern Nigeria, where biodiversity loss and land degradation are accelerating. Nearly 1 million species face extinction because of human activities. On the slide, I have pictures of forests and degraded lands. So now, why women matter? Throughout history, women have maintained a unique relationship with nature. In many societies, women are responsible for collecting water, gathering fuel, producing food, preserving indigenous knowledge, managing household resources, and caring for family health. Because of these responsibilities, women often experience environmental degradation firsthand and are among the earliest to recognize ecological change. Yet, women are not merely victims of environmental degradation. They are powerful agents of change. Research consistently demonstrates that women's participation improves environmental governance, strengthens conservation outcomes, enhances climate adaptation, and increases the sustainability of natural resource management. For example, communities with greater participation of women in forest management frequently achieve better forest regeneration, improved compliance with conservation regulations, and more equitable distribution of natural resource benefits. This evidence reinforces an important truth. Protecting nature is not only an environmental responsibility, it is also a gender and development imperative. We have inspiration from some women who have worked extensively with plants. Inspiration from Wangari Maathai. She is one woman that changed the world. She founded the Green Belt movement. She mobilized women, planted millions of trees, and she was given a Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. One woman, one vision, million trees. This is the picture of Wangari Maathai. Here she's also planting trees. We have lessons that could be learned from nature. As a plant ecologist, I have spent many years studying vegetation, forests, and the intricate relationship among plants, soils, climate, and human activities. My field work in northern Nigeria has taken me into forests, savanna woodlands, and landscapes that reveal both the resilience of nature and the consequences of unsustainable human actions. One lesson stands out above all others. Nature is resilient, but it is not limitless. A forest subjected to occasional disturbance can recover. However, repeated deforestation, uncontrolled bush burning, overgrazing, charcoal production, and land conversion eventually exceed the ecosystem's capacity to regenerate. During ecological surveys, I have observed areas where mature trees once flourished but have since been replaced by bare ground, invasive species, or sparse vegetation. These changes are not merely scientific observations. They affect livelihoods, water availability, wildlife habitats, and local climates. Yet, I've also witnessed remarkable recovery where communities choose restoration over exploitation. Protected areas regenerated naturally. Native tree seedlings emerged after disturbance ceased. Birds and pollinators returned. This experience reaffirms my belief that when people work with nature rather than against it, healing is possible. This is why I describe every conservation effort as planting a seed of hope. Here are pictures of me in the field with attendants. Here I also have pictures showing our botanical garden in Faculty of Science formerly Department of Botany, but presently Department of Plant Sciences, Gombe State University. I have the next slide, which is plate 5B, where we're growing seedlings in the nursery. Next picture is showing students planting the seedlings. And also, this picture, plate 5D, is showing students planting seedlings. Next picture is showing community conservation, where the students visited a village called Zambuk in Gombe State, and they are having picture with the emir of Zambuk. 5 seeds of hope. What every woman can plant. 1 is knowledge. 2, action. 3, leadership. 4, partnership. 5, hope. Practical actions. Healing our planet begins with us. We should plant indigenous trees. We should protect biodiversity. We should mentor young environmentalists. We should support restoration projects. We should reduce waste. We should promote environmental education. Ripple effect. 1 woman can inspire many. Imagine if every GWNN member planted 5 trees every year. After 10 years, thousands of trees will be produced, where we'll have cleaner air, more biodiversity, and healthier communities. Our shared vision, growing a greener future together. We can restore degraded lands, protect forests, empower women, inspire youth, build resilient communities. Together, 1 woman at a time, we can heal our planet. Closing remark. The seed we plant today will become the forest our grandchildren will inherit. Thank you. With this, I come to the end of my presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Our
Thank
power
you.
is in our hands. Let's heal
Yes.
our planet together.
Yeah. Thank you for your inspiring and insightful presentation on seeds of hope, growing a greener future 1 woman at a time. Your message beautifully highlighted how empowering women and embracing nature-based solution can create lasting environmental and social change. We truly appreciate your valuable time and knowledge you have shared with us today. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now it's
Thank
time
you very
for
much.
our
You're
question
welcome.
and answer session. Any questions? You can directly ask questions to speakers. Please unmute yourself and ask questions.
Okay.
Good morning, Professor Halima. Good morning, Professor Halima.
Good morning. Good
Yeah,
morning.
I am Shravan from TARE Policy Center. And as you rightly mentioned that in your practical action part, that environmental education is one of the component of practical action which you mentioned. And in the shared vision also you mentioned that how youth can be empowered to work towards the environmental concerns. So aligning with your
Yes.
thought and with our shared vision, what I propose that TARE
Yes.
Policy Center is coming up with a program for the youth, which will be named as TARE Carbon Neutral Campus, where the students of higher education can participate in this program and put their positive footprints forward to improve and correct the environment. So this is one program we are developing. We will sharing the detail with you and exploring that how we can partner and take it forward in the Nigeria region as well. In India,
Okay.
we are discussing with colleges and getting good response. So we are exploring that. And one program more which we name it as a green stewards for the school students, where
Yes.
they will be oriented towards the environment, and with the knowledge sharing and the film screening and distribution of the certificate. So that is also one area where we can explore the collaboration.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
So
It's
we will
okay.
yeah,
Mm.
we will definitely share the documents with you. And thank you so much for your powerful presentation, inspiring presentation, and we are looking forward to collaborate.
Okay. Okay. You are welcome. You are
Fine.
welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other question?
Any other questions? Please unmute yourself.
Mm. Hope you enjoyed the talk.
Yes, I just want to ask you, ma'am, that
Yes.
how means you have a good means we enjoyed your presentation and your thoughts. First of all, it is a very different thought that one woman and one action, which
Yes.
reflects your good thoughts up to the grassroots level. So I wanted to ask
Yes.
you how this
Yes.
ecology and plantation and all other climate change crisis, how Nigeria is taking up. I mean, not as a country, but the civil people who are staying there and the students. Means I saw the
Mm.
slides where the students are planting the trees and all, but you know the
Yes.
ecology is not only the plantation of trees, but it's
Yes.
almost with the balance and biodiversity. So how they
Yes.
are going to conserve, and are they really interested to conserve all this biodiversity?
Yes. They are very much interested to conserve the biodiversity. That's where we have challenges. What
Mm.
we only do at our own angle here
Mhm.
is uh, is we conduct the researches in the different
Mhm.
environment to find out the problems. So when we
Okay.
find out at our level, the highest we can do is to replant. We obtain the seeds and
Mhm.
then we plant. We produce the seeds in nurseries and we go back to the field and replant. That's the highest we can do because we don't have much funding.
Yeah. And the
Mm.
industries are means I'm not very conversant with this Nigerian industries and all. I have to research on it. But how the industries
Okay.
are they giving some funding? Are they
No, no,
interested
no.
to work for betterment of ecology, or they are just have their industries and they are making profits?
That exactly. They just have their industries and they are making profits. And the
Yeah.
government that is supposed
Mm-hmm.
to come in and tackle it, they
Mm-hmm.
don't help. They don't help so much. They have specific people
Mm-hmm.
from the state government that
Oh.
they give these things, and they don't actually solve the problem the way we
Mhm.
want it, because we understand the problem. For example, now when they say tree planting, they
Mm.
plant any type of seed of trees, while there are trees that are supposed to actually be able to adapt successfully in this type of our environment. Or rather, I would say native trees are supposed to be planted. Instead,
Mm.
they plant invasive trees that can just grow very fast.
Mm.
Of solving the problem, they increase the problem. You know the problems associated with invasive trees.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So everywhere the world is round as well
Yes.
as the earth, and the people are same who are serving in the serving means who have a industries. They don't want to give their profits, but in India the government have done one rule which is very compulsory for the industrialist, those who have a big industries above 500 crore profit and something. But They
Okay.
need to pay 2% of their profit for the corporate social responsibilities and especially for the environment. So some
Okay.
things are happening in India, but the whole picture is really it's a bad picture of ecological balance. And so let's hope
Exactly.
that the
Exactly.
hope which you told, that one women can give hope, and you gave a lot of hope to me and the young
Yes.
generation, those who are here. Thank you so much.
Yes. 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 Thank you, ma'am. I'm grateful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mm.
Before we conclude,
Thank you.
yes, before we
Mm.
conclude, I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our esteemed guest for their invaluable insight, expertise, and time. Ma'am, your contribution have truly enriched our discussion and enhanced the overall experience for all the members. Thank you once again, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, I
Thank
would
you
like
very much,
to
sis.
request to confirm if any of our GWNN members would like to host the next month meeting, kindly email us in advance. To be a GWNN member, kindly visit to register on our website and become our registered GWNN member. Once again, thank you all the members for your time and dedication. See you in the next meeting. Thank you so much.
Mm. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Thank you so
Halima.
much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Till I hear from you. Bye. Mm.
Hey, Sharon. Karen ɗinta ga ta nan mu. Na ganta